Today we'll be making menemen, also known as shakshuka. Start by chopping 2 long peppers into small pieces. Next, start cooking by adding some olive oil into the pan. We preferred olive oil because it's healthier, but you can use any oil you like. Place the peppers into the pan and let them cook a bit. Next, add in the chopped tomatoes. Depending on the season, use tinned or fresh tomatoes. Make sure they are finely chopped. You can use a blender to blend them as well. Add a pinch of salt. You can also add some chilli or preferred seasoning. After the tomatoes and peppers are sauteed, add the eggs in. Don't forget to change the heat occasionally from high heat to low heat to prevent it from burning. Put the lid of the pan to cook the egg white thoroughly without overcooking the yolk. Whilst cooking this menemen, we decided to make this a basic vegetarian menemen. You can add extra toppings such as halloumi, feta cheese, spinach or more. Just think of it like a pizza and add anything you like. Once you see your menemen looking like this, you can then go to add some seasoning or toppings you like. We just decided to put parsley on it to make it simple and basic. And once your menemen is looking like this, you can turn the heat down and serve as you like. Now enjoy your menemen by dipping your bread into the yolk. Thank you.